Hi, this is Ms. Palomino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide fractions step by step in a simple way. To be able to divide fractions, you need to know a couple of things. One is the meaning of the reciprocal. You need to know what that means because you're going to apply that when you divide fractions. You need to know how to change mixed number into improper fraction and vice versa. Improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's review briefly how to do those things. The reciprocal of a fraction is when you flip the numerator and the denominator. For example, the reciprocal of 1/2 will be 2/1. We just flip the numerator and denominator. The other thing we need to know is how to change a mixed number into improper. So here we have a mixed number. Here we have the improper fraction. They equal to each other, it's just in a different form. So the way to change a mix into improper will be by multiplying the denominator times the whole number. And the product, you're gonna add the numerator. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, and we keep the same denominator. Now, to go the other way, from an improper fraction to a mixed number, you have to divide numerator by denominator. So 4 times 1 is 4, remainder 3. The quotient is your whole number, the remainder is the numerator, and we keep the same denominator. Now that we know how to change from a mixed number into an improper fraction, and vice versa, improper fraction into a mixed number, we also know what a reciprocal means, which is just flipping the numerator and denominator. Now we can divide fractions. Now for dividing fractions, here we have 7/8 divided by 1/2. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna keep the first fraction the same. You're just gonna rewrite it. You're gonna change your symbol from division to multiplication. And you're gonna find the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means that we're gonna flip numerator and denominator. So we're going from these division and we change it into multiplication. So now we can multiply these numbers and get our answer. So 7 times 2 is 14, and 8 times 1 is 8. Remember that when it's improper fraction, we have to simplify it and change it into a mixed number. So we're gonna divide 14 divided by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. We subtract. 14 minus 8 is 6. So we have 1. Remember that the quotient is our whole number. The remainder will be your numerator, and we keep the same denominator. Now here in our fraction, we can still simplify it and break it where we can make it smaller. So what we're gonna do is find half of 6, which is 3, and half of 8 is 4. So here's our final answer. Here we have a mixed number. We're gonna multiply denominator times whole number. In the product, we're gonna add the numerator. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Keep the same denominator. We're gonna change our symbol from division to multiplication, and we're gonna find the reciprocal of our second fraction. So we're gonna flip numerator and denominator, and now we can multiply straight across. 6 times 3 is 18, and 5 times 2 is 10. Now that we have our answer, we're gonna have to simplify. Now here, you can simplify it by cutting these in half or dividing top and bottom by 2. You can do these first if you want, or you can divide numerator by denominator right away. Or you can just divide by 2 if you see that factor. And then once you're here, you can divide numerator by denominator just to get the simplest form. 9 divided by 5. 5 times 1 is 5, remainder 4. So our final answer will be 1 and 4 over 5. 4/5 will be our final answer. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget, send me any questions that you have, and I'll be happy to record another video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.